He left his village in Tamil Nadu with just 200 rupees and a dream. When he reached Mumbai, he was cheated by a stranger at the railway station. No money, no contacts, no place to stay. He slept on the footpath and washed dishes in roadside hotels for 15 rupees a day. But his mind was hungry, not just for food, but for growth. He started a tiny dosa cart in a corner of the city. Most laughed at him, some ignored him, but he focused on what he knew best, making the perfect dosa and treating every customer like a guest. Slowly, crowds grew. He saved every rupee. One cart became a stall, then a restaurant. He started learning English, took a loan, learned how to scale a business, and finally, he launched something that stunned India. Dosa Plaza, a modern South Indian restaurant brand. Today, there are 70-plus outlets in 11 countries, from a street-side dishwasher to an international entrepreneur. This is Prem Ganapathy. No money, no English, no background, just determination. Remember this name, and remember what's possible.